Hello, my friends. How are you doing? It has been a while. Thank you for tuning in for another video. This time, I have a couple of packages that I received in the past week, I think. They come from different friends of mine. A couple of them are customs, one is a trade, and another one is a request. We're gonna start with the request right here. I'm gonna open the box off camera so that I don't show you the address accidentally. But this comes from Troy. Actually, no, this is not the trade. This is the request right here. This one comes from Alex. He asked me to if I could make a couple of light decals for a couple of castings, and these are the castings that he sent. Okay, set that back there. Right here. Well, these are extremely well packaged. Let me pause this really quick while I crack them open. Okay, so finally have opened them all. He sent these 6 castings. I honestly forgot everything that I was doing for him. I thought it was a couple of lights or sets of lights for these cars. So I'm gonna have to double check my messages and I will see exactly what I needed to do here. But these are the castings. It's an RX-7. An NSX. McLaren. I think this is the R33, yeah. R32. Skylines. And a Porsche. Okay, so we're gonna place these off to the side. And now we're going to open this one. This one was a trade. Crack this open real quick. This one comes from my friend Tony. I traded him a couple of decals for these. We always do trades like that. Try to see where you open this from. I see. Okay, here it is. This one has a lot of protection, foam protection and stuff. First one, beautiful Zamac BMW. And we have a couple of other castings, which is crazy. Four of these BMWs. I still love them. I still do. Thank you very much, Tony. So we traded a couple of things, and that's what I got. This box off to the side. Now we're gonna open this one right here. This comes from my friend Troy. He said that he had been wanting to make me a custom for the longest time. he asked me which was my favorite custom or card to customs to collect, pretty much. And I told him that I collected customs from people, and the casting that I liked was the T1 panel bus. And he sent me a couple of stickers. That's pretty cool. Let's check them out. Mopar's House of Candy Paint. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is his name. You can see it at the bottom. Mopar Hemi-Guy 710. Put that on the side. And we're gonna open this. Wow. This is sick. Look at this. Bro. Look at that beautiful paint. Wow. It's amazing. You even put Nesto designs over here. Candy Striper, I'm sure. And I'm sorry, the Candy Striper. I call it stripper though. It sounds better. Very cool. Thank you very much, Troy. He said he wanted to put it in a card for me, but I told him that he didn't have to, because as you guys can remember, or if you can remember, I have my display of T1s that this will be proudly added to. Wow. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna open this one. This comes from my friend Charles. I will show you his Instagram. MCK's Auto. He also sent me a T1, a Volkswagen T1 that he had been working on for me. Also very kindly wanted to make a custom for me. And I am very thankful for it, my friend. Thank you, Charles. Wow, look at all these extra envelopes for padding. Thank you. This can be definitely reused. Okay, so here's the package. Oh my G. Wow. You guys ready? 1, 2, and 3. Holy crap. Look at this. Wow. MCKs. Bro. This thing looks awesome. Look at the aging effect on the patina. The rust. It's just amazing. Thank you so much for your work, my friends. I truly appreciate it. Let me get the camera off the tripod. Here you go. Wow. Both of these pieces are amazing. Thank you, Charles. And thank you, Troy. I have a couple of customs, guys, that I've been working on. I have slowed down a lot, especially because the weather has been horrible. And I haven't had really time to work on something. But I have a couple of customs that I've been working on. I just gotta, I mean, they're kind of done. One of them needs decals on the like it needs details like headlights and taillights, and they both need to be properly stanced. But that's what I have to do to those other two castings, and hopefully be making a video soon, by the weekend or in a couple of days. I'm trying to work on those today. But thank you very much, Tony, Charles, Troy, and Alex. Guys, thank you so very much. And I thank you, my friends, my loyal supporters. I have been away for a while, but I thank you for coming back and checking this video out. This is Nesto, and I will catch you on the next one, which will be sooner than you think. Thank you very much, my friends. Peace out.